Well, hello. How are you doing? A few months ago, I made 5 gallons of rice and raisin wine. Lovely stuff. We have had a few visitors come over, all of which have tried the rice and raisin wine, and they are all mightily impressed with it. Every visitor we've had comes back for a second, third, fourth bottle, and wow, it's something awesome. It's one of those wines that is so cheap to make. You should really make it in 5-gallon batches because it's so good as well. So cheap and also so easy to prepare. Isn't it? You helped with this one. I'm thinking that maybe I should do a taste test of it. Anyway, it's been maturing for a few months. We're down to our last gallon of it because it's so moorish. It's so, well, you'll find out in a minute now when we do the taste test. This wine Ron helped to make, and so did his little friend Marvin. So I think it's only fair that Marvin comes to join us for the taste test. What do you think? Shall we? Shall we go and find Marvin? Let's go and find Marvin. Why on earth? Ventriloquist dummy hung up by chains in the shipping container. Why on earth would you do that? As if they're not scary enough. You don't be chaining them up by the neck. No. Freaky, scary, I don't like them. Because I don't like them, I like them. I love that bizarre stuff. Don't we? Anyway, right then. You think I'm weird, don't you? He does. I'm not weird. No, not at all. So, hello. I've rescued Marvin from his chains and confined to the shipping container, much to Dee's displeasure. She really doesn't like Marvin here. What do you think, boy? Anyway, right then. Rice and raisin wine. Rice and raisin wine is probably one of my all-time favourite wines to make. It's simple, it's easy, it's cheap, and the ingredients are available from your shops year-round. So it's not one of those seasonal wines you can only make in a certain time frame of the year. Along with this wine's cost-effectiveness and ease to make, it is delicious. It's tasty, and it's also one of Dee's favourite wines to drink apart from blackberry wine. But blackberries don't grow very well up here in Orkney that I found so far, and the wine has been a winner all round with all of our visitors who come to the house. They all try it, they all love it, and take a few bottles home with them. So it's time to do a taste test. Hey, we've gone through 4 gallons worth in the past while, down to the last. So now, time to crack it open and give it a taste. Come on, come and join me. First up, I really love the colour of this wine. Golden, succulent, deep, and meaningful. It's the type of wine you can have a really good conversation with at the end of a good meal. It is golden. Clear, bright, sparkly, goldenly wonderful. Golden wonder. Comes across initially as a bit of a dessert wine. It has that sweetness from the raisins which really linger on the tongue. After that dessert finish, that risiness that comes through, you get smoked peat, very peaty, with oak chips, very much Chardonnay, very much oak chips, which really do it justice. The raisins bring out the sweetness and that vinosity of any quality wine. And the rice gives hints of sake and an oriental gist to it all. Cross-Australian, cross-oriental, maybe Thai in its flavour. And the aroma is deep, rich, and you get that from the tongue as well, and back to the throat feel to it. It's not bad for the price of the ingredients. Rice, raisins, sugar. Wow. It's one of the first wines I decided to make when I got back into winemaking when I was a student. Because it is so tasty. It's a great party wine. Everyone loves the sweetness of it and the easy going, the flow, the majestic, mellow and melodic flavours really come out and complement any meal. I reckon you can put this with meat, fish, vegetarian or even vegan meals if you dare. Puddings, starters, or just on its own, or as a nightcap around the fire with friends and company, watching the embers glow late into the night, around a barbecue until 3 in the morning watching the sun come back up. That's been done recently. It's one of those wines. It's a great standby for any occasion. It's tasty, it's cheap, it's fun, it's adventurous, it is fantastic. If you haven't made rice and raisin wine yet, why not? If you have, let me know down below. The link to the video is up by here and down in the description, so give it a try and tell me what you think. It's a wine I made a load of because everyone loves it. It's easy, it's cheap, it's fun, it's tasty, it's a great wine.
I love it.
And Dee loves it, which is the main thing. Keep the wife happy and you'll be happy. See you soon now.